This is a big one.
This is from Marianne Sataniello.
No, that's
Statcom.
horrible.
How do you say that?
Marianne Staccom Santaniello.
A lot of Italians on
Something
Facebook today.
closer to that, I would imagine.
What should people do with frying? I've never made fried chicken because I don't know what to do with the oil.
This is a big one. Basically, you put it in a disposable container and completely, and then you literally dispose of it. You can use oil more than once if it's not dirty. Like if there's literally nothing burning in it and nothing has fallen to the bottom and made the oil, you can literally reuse the oil. So you just put it in a container and save it. If you're discarding the oil, if it has debris, you put it in a disposable but closed, completely closed. You never want to put it down your pipes or onto the ground. It's very bad for your property, for the earth, and for your pipes. So you put it in a disposable container and you get rid of it. We don't anymore, but we need to get one again. Okay.
From Louis Kelly on Instagram. Where was the first place that I took you on a date, and what did we both order?
We ordered, remember the place?
It was called Philippe Marie. It was in the West Village. It
closed during COVID.
Recently closed, like
I
forever.
think it closed permanently.
Yeah, which is kind of sad. It was a sweet little neighborhood joint. We both got chicken under a brick.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we did.
No.
A chicken under the glass.
No, we got
Pheasant under the glass.
Thank
I knew
you.
it was a bird with something over it, and the bird was under the thing.
It's not chicken under a brick, but it was a small restaurant, and it was around Valentine's Day, so they had all these special dinners. And we had, as a special dinner that night, John ordered, and it was pheasant under glass.
Pheasant
Sorry, honey.
under glass. Okay, this is from Barbara Pizzella.
Pizzella, like a pizzetta.
She's like a little
She's
pizza.
like a little pizza.
On Facebook and many others. What is the metal plate on the burner on your stove? It's a good
So
question.
I bought this stove because it looked pretty. It was a silly thing. I've turned it down how many times? Like 3?
Maybe it's not the most practical of stoves.
No, I've tried to turn it down 3 times.
Really, really, really
It's so hot. That plate is to
like a
make...
diffuser.
It's a diffuser. Exactly. Thank you.
Mwah.
It's a diffuser. It makes the heat as low as it can be, even though I've turned down the heat of the stove 3 times.